Our final solution is aimed at contractors, a tool for collating and managing O&Ms and digital handovers internally. If you have the resource but want to drive efficiencies, offer a standardized and professional approach. Whilst adding value to your client, we have the solution for you. Providing lots of value and masses of time savings via our automations, standardized process. You can create branded templates, have the ability to copy information from existing projects, one-click O&M exports, snapshot gap analysis dashboards, and even an approval workflow. For those with a growing project list, we can even offer a hybrid solution where you can call on our professional services team for coordination support on specific projects you have identified you will not be able to deliver on your own. Whether you are a contractor, construction consultant, or building owner, our goal is to simplify your building information.